All right. I am probably streaming. Does that look right? Make sure my computer isn't blowing up here. It's kind of blowing up. All right, I gotta make the rounds to make sure my stream is actually working, because every time I don't, something doesn't work. People, it doesn't work. And I don't know why. All right, manage stream. This says I'm live. It looks like I'm live. Okay, so I think we're good there. So I'm going to check YouTube. I just continuously have problems when I don't check and verify. YouTube says I'm live. Let's take a look. It says I've been live for a minute. That's cool. Okay, it looks right. It looks fresh. And that looks vertical, so that's good. How's this looking? Horizontal? Okay, that's looking horizontal. This is looking vertical. See? Is it working? Okay. I think we're good. I think we are good. So I can minimize this. And I can see what the heck's going wrong with my freaking SDL integration. Because I dorked something up. Let's see here. Oh, I got something in my eye. Oh, I wanted to make sure my video and desktop was getting recorded, because that has been busted the past couple of attempts. Ooh. Am I recording 3 things at once? Let's see, 0408, 0408. I am. Background. Code. What is going on? Oh no. I have. Oh. Did I screw up? Which one is this? This is background VS Code. Do I have 2 going? Alright, gonna change this real quick. Oh my god, I have 2 going. Wait, no? What is happening? Somebody? Anybody? Why is this not working? Why is this not working? Can my computer handle 3 4K video records at the same time? How much hard drive space is that going to take up? Who is producing this? Background plus code. I have a scene or a source that is producing background plus code. Who is this one? It's not this one. Not this one. Not this one. I don't think it's me. I don't think it's me. Ooh. No, that's me. I want that. How could everything go wrong this quickly? Okay, I have that turned off. That's good. That's desktop. I don't have anything going for my desktop. Nothing for my game. What's this one? Oh, I found it. All right, we're going to disable this one. Okay. I think we're good. my poor computer was recording 3 4K videos at the same time I was streaming 3 streams. So I want to make sure that has actually stopped recording. Okay, looks like it stopped recording. All right, I think we are good there. Whoa. Oh, whoa, oh, 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 oh. Just checking some stuff. Okay. All right, back to what I was doing, which was trying to figure out what the heck's going on here. So let me check exactly what the current state of the file looks like. The installed file looks fresh, but let me check. Let me check if the shell is even referenced. The build pipeline looks correct. Of course it does. I wrote it. Please hard refresh Control-Shift-R the WebAssembly page and tell me, is the rendering correct or broken? Okay, so I'm going to build my project. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. All right, so that built. Now, I want to right click, show preview. I am so sick and tired of that splitting my screen. Yeah, this doesn't work. This is horse donkey. All right, I gotta maximize, see what it looks like. Yeah, that's not looking good, right? That's not looking right. Let's see here. If I resize, that doesn't look right. Please, what does the console log say? Okay, so that's where I have to hit F12, I think. And no one's going to get to see that, but that's okay. How do I copy this? Copy. The render looks off still. The console log shows. Seems like this is an issue with high DPI display. Does SDL have a high DPI flag I might need to set? The full debug logging made it work. The minimal logging doesn't. That means one of the query calls has a side effect that forces mscript and SDL to synchronize internal Canvas state. Let me restore those calls without the log output. You on the ground now. See, you on the ground. The ground. Oh my gosh, I am losing terribly to this AI. Doink. Necesita, aquí está. Whew, that was close. Ugh. Lots twice sold. It's all about the cold hard cash, hun. Woo! Woo. Oh, I gotta check. I gotta check this. Okay, that looks good. I also gotta check this one. And that looks good. Cool. Oh. Going once, Twice sold. Isn't there like a way to see? Let's see. Tools. Is activity feed? I won't die. Oh, there's settings here. Show timestamps. Show. I need to do this. I think that's okay. Okay. What's going on here? Where are we at? Okay, the full debug logging made it work. The minimal logging doesn't. That means one of the query calls has a side effect that forces the synchronization. Let me restore those calls. Now I understand the full SDL3 flow. The renderer event watcher already calls update logical presentation on every pixel size changed. Let me check how Inscription sets the canvas backing store. There may be a DPR mismatch between what SDL reports and the actual WebGL buffer. Oh boy. Oh. I'm so tempted to just start building my Flutter game idea that I've been wanting to do. This is a pain. C++ is rough. If you're starting to learn it, God, may God have mercy on your soul. And I've been doing this for a while. I don't know why. It's freaking. I know it's a high DPI issue. Easy enough. All right, I did the streamer thing, so now what? Hmm. No. No. Apologies for all my viewers out there. I did not mean to yawn in your face like that. Did you actually put those changes back in? Because we didn't see if that worked. All right, hang on. Well, I think the LLM might be going haywire. Everybody now, I found out nice got better. Ooh. If I mute this tab, it's not what I want to happen actually. What I want to happen is to not have that music go into my headset. I just want it to go into my stream. Anyway, losing track of my thoughts. Another. You hate that you're part of it, hate that you're part of it. Watch me, hate me. Issue is still not resolved. You gotta be better, you gotta be bits of tape. Associate. I hate that you're part of it. Hate that you're part of it. Watch me. Hate me. Love me. Hate me. Traveling down my throat, straight down with remorse. Make me be perfect to you. I can't tell if I have an actual viewer right now, or if it's one of those things where like it cached the fact that I was watching myself. But just in case, if I do happen to have a viewer right now, I appreciate you stopping by and watching me make a fool of myself. Come on. Dang it. Made my bot too good. Feels like that should have hit. That's just me. Ooh, got you. Hmm. Wonder if this is a known issue. SDL3, high DPI, WebAssembly. Okay, I need to make sure the window high pixel flag is being set. So are we doing that? I think we are. High DPI true. SCL window. SDL window high pixel density. Is that? Oh, that's not what Google said. Google said SDL window high pixel. Who's more correct? I think the actual code is more correct. Hey, cat. What are you doing, cat? You here to attack my feet? Don't you bite. Ow. Hey, Trill. Don't bite me. What are you doing, dude? Window uses high pixel density back buffer if possible. Get window display scale, set render scale. Am I doing that? Get window display scale. Set render scale. Handling mouse input. All right. I don't think anyone is watching right now, or if you are, I need to go tend to my cat because he is attacking me aggressively. I'll be right back. Come on. SDL hint frame buffer acceleration. Set this to 1 before SDL init to ensure the renderer handles high DPI scaling. SDL frame buffer acceleration? Is that real? What is that? SDL hint frame buffer acceleration. I don't even know where those hints are defined or where I would set them. Before the init, SDL hint. Set hint. Set a hint with normal priority. Hints will not be set if there's an existing override hint. Name the hint to set. High DPI? What? That's not what I want. SDL hint. Allow frame buffer acceleration 1. A variable controlling how 3D acceleration is used to accelerate the SDL screen surface. SDL can try to accelerate the screen surface by using streaming textures with the 3D rendering engine. This variable controls whether and how this is done. The variable can be set to the following. Disable, enable. This hint should be set before calling get Windows surface. Okay, well, before I do that, I guess, let's see what changes were made. Interesting. I wonder what that does. That would be interesting if this was if I didn't set up my web page correctly. My cat is back, which probably means he's going to attack me again unless I say nothing and don't move a muscle. He's attacking my carpet now. I don't know if you can see. No. He's actually over that way. Yeah, he's over that way. I hear you. I hear you, twerp. If that's your real name. Okay, that built. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I am opening. Ooh, that looks. Is that correct? Okay, I want to reopen this. Open. Preview. Oh my god, that looks so correct. Oh my gosh, I think we're there. Are we there? Oh, it even resizes. Let's frickin' go. So the issue was with 100% important and height auto important on canvas ensures that style sheet rule wins over SDL's inline styles. The root cause was SDL3's and script and backend setting inline CSS on the canvas that overrode the style sheet's responsive layout. Important on width and height keeps CSS in control, and SDL render logic presentation letterbox handles the coordinates mapping to whatever physical size the canvas ends up being. I think this is good enough for now. All right, I'm looking for... Dude. What? You don't get away. What are you doing? I am back. Hope you didn't miss me. Can I do something like this? If I did this, if I do like this, okay. So then I could move. Hang on. Let's remove that. Let's add a source. Window capture. Call it tab. How do I? Whoa. Like, I could do that. I don't know if I like it. I just don't know if I like it. I don't know. Hell, you call a dream. I don't know. All right, so the root cause is SDL3 script and backend setting inline CSS on the canvas that overrode the style sheets responsive, your current mappings, whatever, physicize. Okay, cool. So then, do I have debug code left over? So what all changed? We got that. Okay. We actually don't need the render hint now. At least I don't think we do. Can I not save? There we go. Oh, what did I screw up? I screwed something up. I think I know what. There we go. I'm back. Did you miss me? I wonder if this still works. Okay, so this works for WebAssembly. I need to open. instead of black, this needs to be like color dot, except I want to make this like 120. Curious how easy this is to read in a video. Curious how easy this is to. That's a good size. Yeah, I think that's a good size. Yeah, that's a good size. I don't know where. Allen SDL color. And I import. What? Shouldn't need to do that. I just need clear color. Allen SDL color? Okay, so that built. I want to refresh the build or refresh the window. WebAssembly. Show preview. And we have transparency. All right. So now I'm back to where I was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but with SDL. And I can show this off in my browser. Freaking awesome. I don't care who you are. That is freaking awesome. All right. Am I actually happy with the changes that were made though? I'm okay with that for now. I'm okay with that for now. Okay, let's commit these changes. Come on. I want to check audio levels again real quick, like. All right, this is me talking. I don't. Can you really hear? Maybe I can turn this up a little. How does it sound for me? We'll do that. Maybe I turn it up this way. All right. Is that gonna be loud for me? Eh, it's there. We're there. We're good. All right. So that's good. Let's hop over to my GitHub page. That works for WebAssembly. I want to make sure we're still good for an app. So let's go to Clang release, which that should work. I just don't know if it works in a container in a WSL environment. All right, that generated. Let's build it. Okay, so that built. So now the question is, can I actually run it from here? I would be surprised if I could. X-Explore, Linux, release, Clang, release, installed. Win, Pong. Oh, nope, bin. Don't forget the bin. First try. Oh my god. Not only does it work, it's transparent. I mean, okay. I know you don't see that, you can't see it because it's transparent, but I see it and it works. And that is awesome. It's clearly using Wayland still. Because I don't have a title bar or anything. I wonder if I can get AI to fix this for me. Okay. Let's see. I just built and ran Ramen Pong using x64 Linux release Clang. While it ran and drew the display just fine, it did not have a title bar, nor window decorations. It did not have window decorations. I suspect this is because of Wayland and also not using libdecor. Can you check the dev container and the SDL library to determine if I'm missing libdecor or if SDL3 has a different way of providing window decorations? I found the relevant config files. Next, I'm drilling into dev container, VC package, profile. Quick finding, your dev container already installs libdecor, and SDL3 port enables Wayland. Next, I'll verify the actual built SDL3 in your release preset to see if SDL Wayland libdecor ended up enabled. Oh boy. Allow. I found the key detail. Your preset installs dependencies under x64 Linux release triplet, but x64 Linux, so I'm switching checks to that exact location now. Ugh. I now have direct proof that your SDL3 binary includes libdecor support and dynamically looks for libdecor. Next, I'll check the runtime availability and your window creation flag hints to explain why decorations still don't show. Ooh, do I need to have an SDL flag to show decorations? I bet I do. Found likely root cause. libdecor itself is installed, but no libdecor plugin package is present in the container. I'm pulling the exact SDL3 hint docs from your installed header so I can give you a precise recommendation. Summarizing findings. Thinking I've completed the verification. Grabbing the line number reference so you see exactly where this is defined in your repo and build artifact. Interesting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what's happening here? You are not missing libdecor. What I verified. Runtime check result. libdecor is installed. SDL3 is built correctly. Your undecorated window on Wayland is most consistent missing libdecor plugin, not missing SDL3 support. Add one of libdecor 0 plugin Cairo or GTK. Rebuild container, then retest. Optional diagnosis. Force Wayland, SDL video driver equal Wayland. Force libdecor preference, SDL video Wayland prefer libdecor. Really? So wait. SDL video driver equals Wayland. And then I run it? Ooh, I didn't like that. Couldn't open plugin directory. No such file or directory. Wait, oh, I'm not running on. No. What is happening? Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, next step. I need to do SDL video Wayland prefer libdecor equal 1. Okay. That didn't do it. Couldn't open plugin directory. What is that? Rebuild container, then retest. Optional diagnostics. I don't know if I care too much right now. I wonder. The other thing I'm wondering. No, that's not what I want. Browser. All right. I've got. Ooh, stuff isn't compiling on Windows. Really? Let's check that out real quick. We can reopen folder locally. And then we can build. Configure. It's not often it doesn't compile on Windows. Wait, is that what my stream title is right now? That shouldn't be my stream title. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. I can never get this stuff figured out. Yeah, this isn't my stream title. How do I change it? Edit stream info. Should be C++, SDL3, WebAssembly. Done. Okay. How are my YouTubes? Did I screw that up too? Wouldn't surprise me. No, that looks good. That looks good. How's this looking? My stream's current bitrate of 8 megabytes is lower than the recommended bitrate of 23. Why is it only 8? I don't know if I can change that right now. I have it set to 30 and to not scale 4K. How's my computer doing? Okay, computer's doing good. Computer's doing real good. Okay. Okay, that's looking good. How do I have a chat rate of 1? No one's chatting. Unless I missed it. If I missed it, I apologize. All right. The thing I wanted to find out, can I render Flutter app in VS Code tab? Weird. I don't know. I don't know what to do. What should I do? I want to do. I think I want to do Flutter. Do I want to do Flutter? Flutter's interesting because it's all. Well, it's all widgets, but that's kind of what I'm making too. Did that work? Let's refresh. Okay, that worked. All right, so why is this not compiled? Oh, okay, it compiled. So let's build the project and see why this is failing on Windows. It doesn't like title is an undeclared identifier. Ooh, am I not including string? I'm not including string. I bet that's why. Ooh, gosh, everything's going wrong. libx11. Okay, so we do need these. Docker file, dev container, Docker file. What up, my daily stream bot advertisement? How's your day going? You have anything to say to me? Do you have anything to say to me? Say it. Say it. How do I get rid of you? I don't want you here. I don't know how to get rid of you from this. All right, so I gotta do it in Twitch, I guess. Possible ban evader. Monitoring. How do I ban you? Click to reply. I can follow, whisper, restrict. I can restrict. Can't ban. Manage suspicious user. I guess I can just restrict. Will be restricted as a suspicious user. Curious. Curiouser and curiouser. Okay. Anyway, where was I? I was looking at why Linux was failing, and it was failing because of this. libx11 dev already exists. Xput does not. libx also does not. We'll put those in there. Is that it? Okay, so that's probably why that was failing on Linux. So let's get these pushed up. Fix compile errors on Windows and Linux. Commit. Push. Okay. Can I run the WebAssembly from Windows? I assume I can. Ooh, but what if I can't? I don't have the extension. Extensions. Live preview. Sweet. This is so cool. Okay. I've got steps that I can take next, assuming all this compiles. One that I want to look at is multi-threaded, or putting rendering on another thread. Don't know if I should yet. Let's take a look at our pipelines here. Yeah. I also kind of want to do a little bit of Flutter development. I don't know what yet. Or I might just call it. Make it a short stream. Are you too busy for me to stop in and go, huh? Oh, my mom will stop by. ETA? Alright, maybe this will be a short stream, especially if my mom stops by. She doesn't know I'm doing this. I don't even think she knows what this is. Hmm. Well, I do want to make sure this compiles, but this might be a short stream. I accomplished what I wanted to. I've got the C++23 SDL correctly rendering as a desktop app, as a web browser app in my VS Code browser tab. But boy, is it complicated. And there's still a bunch of code I just want to clean up. That was weird. Hmm. All right. Yep. My mom is on the way. So for all the people who stop by and say hi, I appreciate you. Until